Welcome, friends. So today we will demonstrate why we need builder. Actually, we get know why we need builder pattern. We need builder pattern because of type thread safety for consistency. As we see in my previous video, the using method chaining is not thread safe. It is inconsistent. So using now we will demonstrate builder. So this is my project consistence thread safe builder, and I will share my repo link in the description area of all my videos. Okay, and this is src, and it contains builder demo, student receiver. So let's go through them. First of all, go through student Java, and here we have taken three fields: ID, name, address. And now I'm using a class. Just forget it for once. And uh, now and also forget it once. Now you can see I have defined a inner static class builder. So I have defined a class inside my student class. So in builder class, I have defined same fields like ID, name, and address, and I have make new instance of builder which return an instance of builder type, and it is the default constructor. And these are some setter methods which are used to set ID, name, and address of builder type, builder instance. So we used set name for setting name of builder instance, and it's returning this. And this contains the reference of builder class. And similarly, here it is set name, set ID, set address, and in addition of that, we are using build method inside builder class which returns student type object. Actually, we will set properties in builder class object, and we will then map them, then change them into student type. So for this, like we add some IDs, we set IDs, set name, set address in builder type instances, and then we will change them into student type instances. So here it is new student this, and this contains builder. Here this contains the builder type reference because this is defined into builder class. So we need a we need a constructor, one parameterized constructor of student type. So just this is the toString method of student class, and so just implement the parameterized constructor of student. So student contains builder, one parameter which is of builder type. So we have used this at uh, control y. I think we will generate toString later. You can see the we have constructor of this contains the builder argument, and we have defined it here. So we are mapping the builder ID into student ID, builder ID into student ID, builder name into student name, and builder address into student address. And this contains the reference of student class because we are using it outside the builder class. Okay, and now let's generate the toString method for this class. Um, Source toString generate. So we are done with student class, and in student receiver we have used two threads like in my previous video, and we are using builder pattern. We can see I am using student dot builder. So builder is inner class of student, and this is static class. You can see builder class is static, so we can call it with the student, with the class name student. So student dot builder, and now it is calling new instance. So let's see what new instance return, and it returns builder type instance. So here we can we get instance, we get return type as a builder, and now we can call methods of builder class. So we are calling methods of builder class, and these methods are of builder class, not of student class. So we are assigning id to builder class id instance, builder class name, builder class address instance. So we have assigned some values to builder class instances, and then we are calling and also these methods returning uh, builder class return type, as we have discussed previously. So we can call builder class methods like set id dot set name, and also we can in last we will call dot build. So let's check what is the return type of build, and the return type of build is student type. So we are actually we are mapping it here. So student, we have passed this reference to student constructor, and let's see what happened here. The builder class is mapped into the student class. So builder id is now student id, builder name is now student name. So uh, from here we get so the return type of build function is student, so we will store it in student. So student is the reference of student class, so we can store we can store this stuff into student reference. So similarly we have did it here, and I have used a keyword volatile here. So what's the purpose of volatile? Volatile will share the references, make the changes visible in between the objects, in between the immutable objects. Immutable objects means which cannot be changed, like string. String is immutable, means we cannot change a string. Like take a example, int is equal to 5, then we can int a is equal to 5, then we can change its value, like int a is equal to 6, a is equal to 7, we can change its value easily. But if we define a string, like string demo is equal to uh, demo is equal to ram, and then we change demo is equal to sham, so actually we are not changing the values of demo, we are creating new objects every time. So string is a immutable. So like string, now our class student is also immutable. So so making change reflect in every thread, we use volatile. So now this is builder demo, and here we are calling student receiver, and from student receiver we are calling get student. And now let's see what get student returns, and get student returns a student type, and I have used a thread here because it if I run it without thread, then it will return null, because it's taking some threads taking some time to execute. But if I do not use thread, then it will return null, because it will get a empty object from student. So if the number of objects is very large, then we can use it without threads. So just run it, and we can see here we get this output, and it guarantees that we will get associated, the data do not get interchanged between the threads. Okay, thanks for watching. If you do like if you like my video, do share it, do like it, and subscribe my channel. And builder pattern ensure the thread safety. Thank you.